1 Minute Turkish Lesson 3. Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Turkish, where you can learn Turkish 1 minute at a time with me, Mark.
And me, Şebnem.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Turkish. You can guarantee that if you say this to a Turkish speaker, they will be very impressed with your skills. And remember that a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Turkish in Turkish is...
Türkçe,
Let's repeat that.
Türkçe,
Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again.
Türkçe,
To say that you speak Turkish, you say...
Türkçe, konuşuyorum.
Listen again to the word for I speak.
Konuşuyorum.
One more time.
Konuşuyorum.
Now, let's put that together with Türkçe. Listen to I speak Turkish.
Türkçe, konuşuyorum.
One more time.
Türkçe konuşuyorum.
We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I can speak a little Turkish. The word for a little is...
Biraz.
So, putting this together with...
Türkçe konuşuyorum.
You would say...
Biraz Türkçe konuşuyorum.
Listen to this again, it's quite tricky.
Biraz Türkçe konuşuyorum.
Excellent. Try it one more time.
Biraz Türkçe konuşuyorum. Time's up.
We're sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Turkish-speaking friends or business colleagues. You can find it lots more on www.oneminute.languages.com.
That's all for today. Teşekkür ederim. Güle güle.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.